When you first unpack and assemble your gate, you may notice a gap. This will disappear once the gate is installed correctly. The safe step baby gate can be installed at the bottom or top of stairs, or in wide doorways or hallways. If you are installing on stairs, make sure the gate sits at the front of the lowest step or at the top of the landing. Never install in the middle of the stairs. On a flat surface, open and unfold the box. Inside, you'll find an easy to follow step-by-step quick guide. To begin assembling your gate, remove all loose parts from the box. Rip the tabs holding part A of your gate and remove the warning tag from part C. Release B and C and align it with part A. Press the two metal buttons and slide C into A until it clicks into place. Slide B into A. Locate the bolt holes at the base of the gate and insert and tighten the two M4 bolts. Measure your opening to determine if the included extensions are required. Insert the extension pins into the holes on the gate. Then slide extensions onto the extension pins. Screw together the adjuster bolts and screws. Click the wall cups onto the bolts and then insert them all into the holes on the gate. Test fit the gate into the desired location. Ensure the bottom bar is flat on the floor and that the gate is standing upright. If you are installing on stairs, wall cups must be screwed in. Ensure swing direction control is installed correctly to stop the gate from opening over stairs. Remove the gate from the opening and use the template on the quick guide to mark the position of the wall cups. Screw in the wall cups with the provided screws. Screws must penetrate the studs in the wall or a solid wall. Drywall alone is not suitable. Slide gate downwards into the wall cups. They will click into place. Tighten all adjuster screws evenly until there is a 1.5mm gap in the lock mechanism. Determine which direction the gate should open. Screw the swing direction control piece opposite to the desired opening direction. For top of stairways, the gate should never open out over stairs. To open the gate, grip the handle, slide the button and lift the gate panel upwards. Open gate to 90 degrees and the gate will stay open. Open gate in either direction. Gate will swing closed automatically.